In today's video, I'll show you how to install VMware Workstation on Windows 11. VMware Workstation allows you to run multiple operating systems such as Windows Server, Ubuntu Linux, and Windows 11 on a single computer without affecting your main operating system. This is an excellent tool for learning Windows Server, Active Directory, networking, and Linux. Let's get started. VMware Workstation is a desktop virtualization software. It allows you to create virtual machines that behave just like real computers. Each virtual machine has its own processor, memory, storage, and network adapter, allowing you to install and test different operating systems safely. Before installing VMware Workstation, make sure your computer meets the basic requirements. I recommend using at least 8 GB of RAM, although 16 GB or more provides a much smoother experience. You'll also need enough free storage space, preferably on an SSD, and your processor must support hardware virtualization. Now let's download VMware Workstation. Open your web browser and visit the official Broadcom support website. If this is your first time downloading VMware Workstation, you'll need to create a free Broadcom account. Click Register, then enter your email address and complete the registration form with the required details. After verifying your email address, sign into your Broadcom account. Once you're signed in, search for VMware Workstation Pro and navigate to the download page. Select the version that matches your operating system and download the installer. This registration only takes a few minutes, and after that, you can download VMware Workstation directly from your account whenever you need it. Enable virtualization. One important requirement is hardware virtualization. On Intel processors, this feature is called Intel VT-X, and on AMD processors, it's called AMD-V. In most modern computers, virtualization is already enabled. If it isn't, you'll need to enable it from your computer's BIOS or UEFI settings before using VMware Workstation. Once the download is complete, open the installer, click Next, accept the license agreement, and continue through the installation wizard. Unless you have specific requirements, you can leave the default installation settings unchanged. Click Install and wait for the setup to complete. Once the installation finishes, click Finish. Now let's open VMware Workstation. This is the main interface where you'll create, manage, and run all your virtual machines. Don't worry if it looks unfamiliar. We'll explore it together in the next videos. On the left side, you'll see your virtual machines after you create them. The center area displays the selected virtual machine and its details. The toolbar at the top provides quick access to common functions such as creating new virtual machines, editing settings, and powering virtual machines on or off. In the next video, I'll show you how to create your first virtual machine and install Windows 11 step by step. After that, we'll build a complete Windows Server 2025 lab, including Active Directory, DNS, DHCP, and much more. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.